Kuma riria thirikari yambiririe mubango wa gucenjia mutaratara wa githomo kuma 844 nginya CBC, mathina matiganite ari ni hamwe na unyihu wa irathi, hamwe na arutani ni mamwe ma maria makoretwo mekirire ucuke wihaririria wa thirikari ukinyaniriine wa mubango uyu. Isheni kuhe thirikari kionekana kurembererwo ni gukinyaniria mubango uyu kuri arutwo a grade 9 kihigisha kia unyihu wa irathi gikiyumiria. Thirikari yaranire gukorwo irikitie waki wa irathi 16,000 ugikinya mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku, undu uria itanahota gukinyaniria. Minister wa githomo Julius Migos akienderera irathi 14,500 nicio irikite.
As we speak now, we have constructed 14,500 classrooms for our grade 9 learners, and we are set to achieve the target of 16,000 by the end of this month.
Migos no ugite ministry ya githomo no ikwambika waki wa irathi ingi 7,290 niguo kung'ethanira na wiyandikithia makiria wa arutwo uria ungiyumiria, na ho ni irikitie kugura mafuku milioni 9,960 618.
Additionally, the ministry will construct a further 7,290 classrooms to address the increased enrollment to ensure smooth transition for the cohort. The ministry has also procured 9,926,618 textbooks for grade 9, which have been distributed to schools, with the exercise expected to be completed by the end of this month.
Hamwe noguo Migos no ahete mukana arugamiririe thukuru cia senior schools iria ikoretwo ikirihia aciari fithi makiria, akiuga marihi ma fithi maticenjetie kuma ma mwaka wa 2024.
I wish to put it on record that the government will not condone the practice and will take stern action against school administrators who are found to be levying extra charges on parents. I must emphasize that the fees charged in our secondary schools remain the same as was the case in 2024.
Oho murugamiriri munene wa kanjo ya igeranio NEC David Jengere nienderire wiyandikithia wa arutwo aria magaikarira kigeranio gia KPSEA mwaka uyu ukambiriria tariki 27 mweri wa Januari, niguo wiyandikithia wa arutwo aria mageka kigeranio gia Kenya Junior School Education hamwe na KCSE wambiririe tariki 17 mweri wa Keri.
Yes, this is one area that we usually have a very big challenge: the capture of candidates' registration details. Parents too need to take it as their responsibility to coordinate with the schools so that every candidate is registered and their details are accurate, especially the spelling of their names and the order of their names and the subjects that they will be registering for.
Ihinda-inĩ riu kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC ni yanirire mubango wa kwambatiria ngathi arutani 28,288 ikironi itiganite. Riu arutani aria mambatiritio ngathi kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 makihinga 59,792.
We encourage all eligible teachers to take advantage of this opportunity to advance their careers. These promotions are a testament to our commitment of fostering professional growth and recognizing the hard work of our teachers. Allow me to say that in total, from last year to this year, we will have promoted 59,792 teachers.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.